This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pashurdis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Stocks in Asia were bolstered on Tuesday on signs that Chinese policymakers are having a rethink about how they regulate the digital economy, as government advisory body held consultations with local tech executives. Chinese tech shares have been pummeled over the past year as authorities clamped down on anti-competitive practices and data privacy concerns. But as the economy struggles in a more challenging environment, policymakers may now be turning their attention to more supportive measures for the tech industry. Hopes that today's meeting will yield positive results for China's tech giants and signal an easing in the year-long crackdowns buoyed Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index, where the majority of Chinese tech stocks are listed. The upbeat tone comes just a day after equity markets came under pressure from dreadful data out of China on Monday, as the lockdown severely curtailed economic activity in April. But the sell-off was limited, and the rebound is also gathering steam in Europe today, with Wall Street likely to join in this time. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite slid yesterday, pairing some of Friday's massive gains. But E-mini futures are sharply up today amid the broad risk-on sentiment. Today's retail sales numbers due later at 12:30 GMT are being eyed for clarity on the strength of U.S. consumer spending, as the recent surveys haven't been as positive as the hard data. The improved mood weighed on the U.S. dollar as its index against a basket of currencies slipped to a near one-week low. Investors will be tuning in to Fed Chair Powell later today when he will be speaking about inflation at a Wall Street Journal event in New York. Elsewhere, the pound led the gains today, jumping towards the $1.25 level after UK employment rose by more than expected in the 3 months to March. The jobless rate fell to a 48-year low of 3.7%, and total average earnings rose by 7% year-on-year, all pointing to a very tight labor market. Whilst the positive picture may not last very long, given that the cost of living crisis is only just starting, the strong data does suggest that the Bank of England has a lot more room than previously thought on how far it can tighten policy. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.